Welcome to Paramount Electronics. We are experts in the repair of industrial and commercial electronics. Today we're going to show you how we are able to exercise an AC servo that is manufactured by NIKKI DENSO. The function of this ACTUS power AC servo is to control a three-phase motor used in a printing press, but could be found in other industrial applications. We have developed a sophisticated test jig that tests each of the AC servo's functions and proves it is fully operational before the repaired unit is returned to our customer. Okay. We're going to now power it up. Put some power on. That, yeah. Okay, it's now ready and we can drive it. There. There's the motor running. And also just check some of the voltages. There's 24 volts, 4.5 volts there. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to stop it. And thank you for watching.